guys, Mindy here and welcome to Christmas Giveaways episode 5! Early this December, I went to my favorite Maca store to put together a keyboard for the Christmas videos. Maca store was excited and I was just so excited to get out of the house finally and enjoy the keyboard store all to myself. And oh, right, of course, to build you a keyboard. First, we open up the case, then we stick tape to the top and the bottom of the case. This is the tape mod. It helps the keyboard sound much nicer. Just wait till you hear it. Next, the stabilizer pad, which helps to reduce downstroke noise or the noise from the stabilizer. Then we tune the stabilizer, lube it generously, do the wire balancing, install the stabilizers into the PCB, and of course, next is the lubing of switches. And that's where I help the most. Opening the switches, lubing them, putting them back together, put the switches into the keyboard, then slam on these Squid Game keycaps and we are done! I thought I was just there to watch, to film, to just have fun, but I got dragged into building it. Thanks, book! Okay, no, really, I learned so much about keyboard and getting hands-on with it. I'm so proud of this. This is the first keyboard I helped build, and I really want to call myself a certified builder, but the truth is Builderbook did most of the work, so... And here we are. This is the Keychron Q1 75% mechanical keyboard that is modded that I built. And you know what's fun? It's actually raining outside right now, and if I keep really silent, you can hear it. But it matches this entire vibe perfectly, so let's turn up the music and check this out. Ooh. Oh my goodness, guys, this is heavy! And what's nice is that an aviator cable comes with every Keychron Q1 keyboard. Oh my god, I love this so much! I've been into mechanical keyboards for a while now, and what I really love about them that makes them so different from other pre-built keyboards is the sound and how it feels to type on this. And what makes this Keychron Q1 keyboard special is that this is gasket mount. Gasket mount is kind of a hot term right now. I mean, Keychron is making it, Glorious is making it. But for those of you wondering what the hell gasket mount is, gasket mount keyboards actually use a gasket material between the plate and the keyboard housing on both the top and the bottom sides. It isn't in direct contact with the other metal components of the keyboard, and so it gives the keyboard a more cushioned feel. It's supposed to feel softer and quieter to type on. However, gasket mount is not all there is to a good sounding keyboard, and that's why we do modifications as well. I mean, just wait till you hear the sound comparison between this modded keyboard and the unmodded Keychron Q1 keyboard. That just has so much more echo, it's just not nice. So yep, for this keyboards we use Alpaca switches, which sound so delicious. I used to love tactile switches, but I'm now officially team linear switch. It just feels and sounds so much better, but that's up to your individual preference, and what I like is to go to Maca store to test out all the switches there to figure out which switch I want in my keyboard. And now it's a long-awaited ASMR sound typing test of the keyboard. So there you go, my friends. You can tell the difference between the modded keyboard as well as the unmodded keyboard very, very clearly. Without the tape mods, you can hear so much more echo when you press down the keys. Like if you hear very closely again. And this one, no echo whatsoever. It sounds so much nicer than this. I feel like I'm hitting on some kind of metal when I'm pressing down on this. And because I chose the Alpaca switches, so they sound really good to me and I love them so much. Like, it just sounds like an expensive keyboard, which this is. I feel like even if you don't want to spend so much more to get this keyboard, it's a good thing to actually do some modifications on this keyboard to remove the echoey sound, unless you're a fan of that. Just literally open the case and put tape on the top and bottom of the case. But of course, if you still don't know or you want to do more with your keyboard, go to the Mecha store. There are some awesome builders there. So yep, tell them that I sent you. Overall, this is a pretty solid keyboard. I mean, it's Keychron, aluminum plate, aluminum body, and so it actually weighs quite heavy. It's like at least 1.6 kg when it's fully assembled, according to their website. And of course, as a Mac user and a Windows user, I love that you can switch between Mac and Windows mode. The switch is seamless. You don't have to keep remapping keys. This is also an RGB backlit keyboard, but with these keycaps on, you can't actually tell, but at an angle, you can tell. There you go. So yep, this entire build is in the description box below for you if you want to build something like this for yourself. And one more thing, guys! This is all yours. Wait, what? Mindy's giving away the $456 Squid Game keyboard to one of us? Yes, I am. I am partnering with Mecha Store to give away this to one of you, so join the giveaway for a chance to win this keyboard. But my dear friends, I actually love this keyboard so much that I'm kind of sad to part ways with this. So if none of you are going to participate in this keyboard, I'm just going to steal this and make this my own. Okay? But yep, good luck, take care, stay minty and cheery. Goodbye! Oh wait, are we still rolling? You missed out on the mystery question. It was in the typing test. I thought you would have seen it. But in any case, let me show you again. So this is the mystery question. Tell me what is your favorite keyboard switches or build, but if you aren't into keyboards, tell me one happy thing about 2021. It really helps to think about happy things. I learned that from my therapist. Answer this in the comment section below for a chance to win this beautiful $456 Squid Game keyboard. I'll look through everything and pick someone. Don't forget to subscribe to be the first to know about the latest giveaway updates. Good luck! Bye!